What about you, Jeff?
Yeah, so one of the ones I kind of already mentioned a bit, it's learn how to use the PowerShell debugger. It is a really, really powerful feature of PowerShell, and it makes troubleshooting some of the weirder issues that you run into a lot more manageable. Another one is pipe to clip or pipe to set clipboard. Those both behave slightly differently. So if you just put some text and you send it across the pipeline to clip.exe, that works in both the command, a normal command prompt, as well as PowerShell. The problem is that it's going to do a two-string, and that's not necessarily going to be the format you want. But if you're doing something like new GUID and you pipe to set clipboard, it's going to just take the one property that you want. But those can just make troubleshooting a lot easier, or getting information out of the command prompt a lot easier. Another one that I'm surprised doesn't get talked about enough is a lot of Windows errors will actually allow you to copy and paste the entire dialog. So if you just follow along with me on your personal computer, open up the run menu and just type in test and hit enter. It's going to pop open a VB dialog. Now, if you select that dialog and hit Control C and then go to Notepad, you can click or type in Control V and it will paste the actual dialog as well as kind of an interesting wireframe of the dialog itself. So it's a fun little way of copying errors without having to retype everything yourself. And then, I would advocate try vibe coding. And the caveat I will give is expect poor results, but be surprised that occasionally it will deliver. And because it sometimes screws things up, you want to use this with Git or some kind of a source control. So just be aware of that. And then the other thing, find community. Conferences, Reddit, WinAdmins, there are lots of ways of working with other sysadmins and learning from other sysadmins, and it will definitely make a difference in your career.